Would you like to change the measurement units of your Audi, but you don't know how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you how to change the measurement units, speed, distance, temperature, capacity, consumption of the engine and the consumption of the electric motor to your preferences. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and go to Settings. Go to General. Click on Measurement Units. You can now change the measurement units, speed, distance, temperature, capacity, consumption of the engine and the consumption of the electric motor to your preferences by clicking on the measurement unit you would like to change. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.